Alright, welcome to Cooking Conspiracy, and we're going to do cornbread today. Unfortunately, if you can't tell, I'm not from one of them families that passes down the cornbread recipe throughout generations. But that's okay. This damn oatmeal man, the Quaker guy's got my back, and we're going to try to demo this recipe on the back. We'll see how it turns out. So, let's see, first ingredient, 1.25 cups of flour. Okay. 3/4 cup of cornmeal, specified as Quaker or Aunt Jemima. I don't have an Aunt Jemima, so we're going with Quaker. All right, moving through. 1/4 cup of sugar. 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. All right. So that's all your dry ingredients. You're supposed to combine those. Give it a quick Alright, dry ingredients are mixed up. Okay, combine dry ingredients, stir in milk, oil, and egg. Okay. Cup of milk, it says skim milk, and I only got 2%, so hope it works. Alright. Then it says 2 egg whites or 1 beaten egg. So we got 1 beaten egg there. And we got 1/4 cup of canola or vegetable oil. Alright. Apparently I gotta mix it up until all the dry ingredients are moistened. Hear that? Moistened. But I like the word moist. I mean, when you think about it, anytime that you would use moist, it has positive connotations. It's not like damp. I would think that word would bother people more. But what do I know? Moist. Moist. Can you really think of a situation where moist is really bad? If it was bad, you would say damp. But like if you said, oh, my clothes are damp, you wouldn't say your clothes are moist. I don't know. What type of clothes would you say are moist? Anything in particular? Oh God, I better check my phone here. It's going crazy. But I'm filming. Maybe I'll fill you in on what's being said on the next video. Okay. Now we're gonna bake this for 20-25 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's done when you stick a toothpick in and pull it out and nothing and it comes out clean. Oh, pretty good. You know, not the best I've ever had, but it's definitely better than the pre-made shit. But yeah, if you have an Aunt Jemima that has the best cornbread recipe ever, I would love to hear about it. And then if you really want to get that fat, that stomach going like this. But yeah, if you really want to make it good, top it with butter. And then that's excellent. Excellent with butter. That was what was missing. Very good though.